Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Mount and Blade 2, Bannerlord and War Sails not launching or crashing on your PC. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and locate Mount and Blade 2 Bannerlord. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now just wait for Steam to repair your game files. Solution 2. Right-click Mount, open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to check and update your graphics driver. Solution 3. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Solution 4. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down until you find the x86 version. Click VC Redist x86 to download it. Then click VC Redist x64 to download that one too. Once both files finish downloading, double-click VC Redist x64. Press Yes, accept the terms, and install it. Click Close when it finishes. Don't restart yet. Now double-click VC Redist x86. Press Yes, accept the terms, and install it. Now restart your PC, and that's it. One of these solutions should fix Mount and Blade 2 Bannerlord not launching or crashing on your PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.